Hi guys, for today's video, I will show you how to add clickable link to your TikTok. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok applications on your mobile phone, and then next go to your profile. Click this lower right side icon profile, and then next click this one, edit profile. So edit profile and then scroll down under social. There you go, you see Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. So any of this one you can add, or any of this account you can add it to your TikTok account. So just click add Instagram or add YouTube if you have a YouTube account. So just enter your username right here and password, and then log in. And after that, you'll be able to see a logo right here beside adding friends. You see the Instagram logo, and if you added your YouTube account, you'll be seeing the YouTube logo right here, or if you're Twitter logo right here. So by the way, just click edit profile, scroll down, social, and then select what account, Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter. Just enter and then log in with your account. And that's it. That's how to add clickable link to your TikTok. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and updates.